how are you getting on? Welcome to the Grand Palace in Thailand, one of the most popular tourist attractions in the whole country, I believe, and definitely the most popular thing to do in Bangkok. I just arrived here, I'm having a look around. It costs 500 baht to enter. One tip for you, you have to wear long pants to come in here, and you can't wear tank tops, you have to wear shoes, you can't wear flip-flops. They turned loads of people away on my way in.
Sorry, you need trousers.
So just gonna show you a few shots of the place now, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it one of them. If you're new around here, subscribe. Let's go. It is absolutely boiling today. It's the 1st of September, it's about 33 degrees Celsius, very humid as well, and obviously having to wear the long pants isn't helping. And I didn't bring any water, quite foolish, but you know, I was in McDonald's trying to get rid of a hangover and I had a massive thing of Sprite, so that'll keep me going for now. What I really like about here is that normally when you go to a temple, it's all pretty much the same. You know, once you see one thing or you see two things, you've seen it all. But in here, literally everything is different, everything is unique, and not too much looks the same. For example, all the little characters over there holding the building up, and there's loads of them all over the place. They all seem to have like a unique face or a facial expression in different colors, so that's really cool. So this palace was constructed in the 1700s, and it was actually home to the Thai royal family until 1925. And my father was here in 1979, he just told me. I didn't even know he's been to Thailand. But that doesn't matter, who cares? Also, there's so many Chinese tourists in here, I literally feel like I'm back in China. They're literally everywhere, and they just don't care. They run around, they shout, they get in the way, they take photos wherever they want. Anyway. So as you can probably tell, I've left the Grand Palace now, and I took a boat over to Wat Arun, one of Thailand's most iconic landmarks. Okay, so I didn't spend too much time in there because there wasn't a whole lot to see other than just that right there, and get up close and have a look at the designs and stuff. Pretty cool, and you can't go up to the top because that's closed off, I assume, for health and safety reasons. Anyway, short video today, but I do hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, comment down below, let me know what you thought, and if you're new around here, make sure to hit subscribe. A lot of stuff coming soon. See you real soon. Good luck.